Video. You don't have a blonde?
I'm gonna wear a red lipstick. You know?
I like it red
Yeah.
for you.
Yeah. This one,
You
you're gonna put it here in your lip.
You know what you look like right now?
On your lip.
Sister of Joshua again.
Yeah, I miss Josh. I don't wear brands like this. Like,
Oh my god, you're even more beautiful in video.
oh, really? Oh my god. Hi, video.
So what's the brand name of your lipstick again?
It's actually Revlon.
Were you able to think it over?
Not really.
Are you thinking about color in particular? I like it red too.
I'm
Yes,
not
I love
wearing
it.
red lip.
Oh my god, you're so beautiful.
Oh my god. Can I try it?
Will you marry me?
Yeah. Wait.
Hey, I wanna see you with red lipstick
Can
also.
I try it on here? It's so weird.
Oh my god, ang ganda mo, Jelena. Can you just shut up?
I think it would fit me. Excuse me. It's not Revlon. No. Oh my god, I'm gonna wipe this first. It's so dirty. I'm so sad. Wait a minute. I do have alcohol here. You know?
What alcohol?
Alcohol. Can I borrow? Oh my god, this is so... Mirror.
Just try it.
Mirror is... I don't have mirror.
I have one for you. Oh my god, Jelena is so beautiful with red lips. It's not done yet.
Paano ka maglalagay? Hindi ka marunong.
Oh my god, don't do it here. Are you kissing Janks again?
No, take, just sit.
That's Revlon, Class B.
Yeah. Don't do that.
You're not having a dental check-up.
No, I'm not gonna put braces. Just relax. Just like this.
Come on, be serious. I want to see you on red lips.
No.
I'm excited. Next will be me.
Oh my god.
May I see? Not yet, not yet.
It's so red.
Yeah, it's red.
red.
No, you don't. Escort service. Friend, mag-try ka naman ng bago. Patingin niya. Labis pa. Hi, Michelle. So, ikaw pala yung tatagpuin niya. Kamusta ka na? Pakita ko.
Nalaba. Ano yung order lang? Wait,
May pambayad.